Hello everyone, today I present you my new electric scooter from Yume company. It's called Raptor. It's model 2025, new model upgraded. So I will proceed to unbox this monster. I just can't wait because I wait since September to be back in shop. So this is my gift. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's unbox the monster. Okay. And another thing, I want to thanks to Yume company for fast delivery, safe and without any damage, as you see. So thank you, Yume. Let's continue to unbox. Okay. Put this here. Okay. So let's open this black foam. Okay. Okay. I must be very careful to not cut the wires here. Okay. Well, let's leave it like this for now. Okay. 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 Can move it much easier. Okay, let's get the accessories first. Well, for now, this is a pump. I will put them all together later. Let's first take out the monster from here. 1 second, please.